Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zach.
And I'm Bryson. And today we're going to be teaching you iPhone car photography on this bad boy.
Look at that.
So first we're going to talk about your camera settings. I'm actually going to stick with the native camera app and not use any second or third party apps. And so when we go into our settings, so you're going to scroll down to your camera and then you're going to go into formats. And once you click on formats, you want to make sure your Apple Pro RAW is clicked upon. And then I just have it on most compatible, so that way it's very compatible when you're using your Lightroom or any other editing app. And then at this point, there's a grid. I highly suggest using the grid so that way you can make do and help with your composition when you're lining up your shots. So next, you're going to want to pick your locations wisely. Make sure you're away from any light poles or distractions like trash cans or signs that would be on any of the walls. There is light poles around here, which is totally okay. We can get rid of that in post, and thankfully there's no trash cans or signs. So if you follow me over here, we're going to take a photo. So when you're in your photo app, you want to make sure that you see the RAW at the top, and that's what happens when we hit the Apple Pro RAW. And so all you got to do is click this, and now you're shooting in RAW, and it also turns your live photos off. So what we're going to do is we're going to line the car up all night, and there's the sun. So what you'll do is you'll drag that down so that way it properly exposes for the sky. So last but not least, we're going to talk about composition. So whenever you're taking your photo, you want to make sure you're lining the car up to the center. This is center. I'll touch on my sky again to expose for the sky. And then you also want to change it up with getting different angles, get low, get high, and then you can either back up and then get really close to also get any details that you might miss.
Well guys, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment,
and hit that subscribe button because it definitely helps us out. And we hope to see you guys in the next video.